What's up, YouTube? Top Tactic Fishing here. Welcome to another episode. We're doing another carp episode today. I'm at a brand new spot. I'm going to be showing you some tips and tricks to do during the springtime to help catch some carp. Stay tuned. So as you can see in front of me, we're at a brand new spot. I've never been here before. We are outside of Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, and we are actually in a creek right now. This is Darby Creek. And I have fished Darby Creek before, but not this specific location. And during the springtime, I like targeting creeks because a lot of the carp will back up into those creeks and they feed. And they still will be in the main rivers, but I find it pretty productive, especially in the early season, that they do really well in creeks. So this is where we're at. You can see it's kind of a big creek here, actually. So seems like a pretty good area. There is a little bit of a current here today since we are being affected by the tide. So we're going to try to get our rods out here, so stay tuned. Alright, we're going to be using my typical trifecta today, 3 rods, and we're using all linear bait products today. This is a Juicy Pear boilie. We're going to go ahead and cast this one out first. Current's actually a little bit stronger than I thought, so we may have to get some heavier weight on here, but it is pushing all my lines to the to the right. I think the tide is actually going out right now, so we're gonna give this some time and hopefully get something here. So alright guys, the second one we're gonna be using the 3 pieces of flavored corn. This is a pineapple ice cream, so we're gonna give this one a toss. So there's a creek that actually is to my left here that dumps into this other creek here. Makes it kind of nice, kind of makes it a little bit slack there. So I'm going to cast it in that spot. There might be some carp hanging out there. So for this last one, we're going to be using a pop-up boilie spray with the nog flavor. So we're going to cast this more towards the slack area over here.
A lot of people eat carp too, don't they? Not from here.
Alright guys, we got all 3 rods out. So we're actually kind of spreading out our baits. The current's really picked up here. So I have 2 rods that are kind of outside of the current. Be a catfish. Alright. It's crossing my other line here. Probably a catfish here. Yeah, this is a catfish. Yep, nice cat. There we go. Well, we didn't get skunked, at least. This was right on the pop-up boilie. Catfish was on a mission. There she is here. Oh. Nice one. Nice channel. Gonna release this one. Alright. There he goes. Something on here. We've got something on here. I think it's a catfish. Current is bringing me around though. Yep, it's a nice catfish. All right, this one's right in the current too. Right in the current. Catfish today, but no carp yet. There it is. I'm gonna release this catfish here. I almost slipped going down. So I'm gonna release this over here. Goes. So, 2 catfish, no carp. This is almost like carp fishing gone wrong. You know, sometimes you deal with the nuisance of catching channel catfish. That's kind of how it is sometimes when you are fishing. Sometimes you just get channel catfish and no carp. Well, that's all we're gonna have for today, guys. Ended up catching 2 channel catfish, no carp. Sometimes that happens. Sometimes you blank on the carp, and sometimes you just catch all catfish. Sometimes you don't catch anything at all. So, anyways, I appreciate watching this video. Give a thumbs up, like, subscribe if you haven't. Do a lot of carp videos, catfish videos as well. So we're gonna be trying to do a flathead video shortly. Appreciate you watching, and we'll see you next time. Take care.